I'm going to Hungary now. Nice Sunday morning. I mean, it's not nice, obviously, but it's February, so that's okay. It's not raining, no snow. I mean, there's just a few drops of rain, but that's fine. And I'm going to Budapest now. I'm around at Linz. I left an hour ago, and the traffic, it's interesting because there are many cars. The reason, it's still not that heavy, the traffic, but the reason that there are many cars because it's Sunday and many people just, you see the other cars the opposite direction, they go skiing, and then from the slopes many people are going home. So going to Budapest, and the reason I'm going to Budapest today because tomorrow I'm going to be in school. Imagine that it's not cloudy and you can see Vienna from the top of the hill. I'm almost at the Hungarian border, and but there's an interesting shopping center here. They built up a small village where they actually do, it's kind of outlet, some kind of designer outlets and different kind of shops over there. It's not really cheaper. As far as I know, they might have some offers sometimes, really good offers, but most of the time it's just a normal price. But it's just so funny, these buildings. Just look at this. Just look at these buildings. So nice and interesting. The whole European traffic going to Eastern Europe on this 2-lane motorway, which makes no sense, but that's life. I have no clue what they are building, but this is a huge, extremely huge. I just can't imagine why they need that huge building here in the nowhere, really. And there's nothing around. There's no cities, no nothing. Just nothing here. It's just a huge construction site, and I just can't imagine what that's gonna be. So you might wondering why am I traveling to Hungary, to Budapest for this school? But the reason actually is that I haven't found a similar school where they have the same topic, some motorcycle racing, engineering stuff, and even if they have, they can't do the same quality of teaching, and they won't cover everything. But this school, actually, it's really surprising because this is Eastern Europe, and they still do an amazing job. The teachers, they love what they are doing, and they just give all the information and even more. So that's really great. You can call them anytime in the middle of the night if you have a race or you have to prepare, you have an issue. If you have an issue with a motorcycle, then you can call them anytime, which is amazing. I mean, how many times I told you it's amazing? But they are. So that's why, and it's worth the money, worth every penny. Not just the school, but also the traveling and everything. It's great. Also, actually I could pick up some really nice food what I can get in Austria. I mean, I can get almost everything in Austria, but still there are few things which is better in Hungary, I think. It was way different when I lived in Ireland, and in Ireland, the food was extremely different. The food in Ireland, it was absolutely the opposite than in the continent. I'm not saying it's bad or good. It's different. You can get used to it, and also you could miss many things from Ireland. There's really nice food over there, but it's different. Yeah, the traffic is getting bigger. Yes, I'm getting closer to Budapest. It's about 85 kilometers, so no. And I won't sleep in the car in Budapest because there's a place where I can sleep. That's also a good thing. Finally, after almost 5.5 hours later, arrived to Budapest. And that was a long trip. It's always long. But at least I don't have to go to Eastern Hungary now, so I can stop here, because there are a couple of times when I had to go to Eastern Hungary and then it took 8-9 hours driving. That's even longer. Amazing sunny Sunday afternoon. So the limit is 100 km per hour. And there's gonna be a speed camera. So I'm going 98. Look, it's already braking. We're not even there. And now the little car is speeding up. Okay, so I can go back probably. Huh? We brake again? No, you're going to the other lane. Good, very well done. Well done. It's an old lady. Actually, two old ladies talking to each other. Oh my gosh, so many cars. It's full. Okay. So that's interesting. The guy told me that this doesn't work. So I have to find another one. I got fuel tank, and now the next challenge is gonna be finding a parking space. It's always a problem. There's no parking space here. Unless, no, there's nothing there. Unless I park here, but I'm gonna go around and see if I can find something there. Okay? Let's go around. Merry-go-round. Let's wash it a bit more. Let's wash this as well. Okay, and let's go in here to see if I can find something. There are many parking spaces here, but I want something like this. I think I'm gonna stop just here because there's a nice one over there, but good. So here I am. going to school now. I mean, that's another school, but we won't go there. We're going into another one. So when will the next? So this one, 2 minutes, and no tram yet. Oh, it's coming there.
Örs vezértere, metró és hévállomás, Zuglói oldal. Zugló utca, Nagy Lajos király.
Lehetünk ketten valamit megint.
We are going to Vienna. So the school yesterday was really great. I got some Chinese after the school and I forgot to show you the food, but it was delicious. After not eating for 48 hours, I just wanted to eat instead of showing. Let's go to work. And from here I can see that my place where I usually park is empty. Last time I parked here, but I prefer to park on the other side of the tree. I mean, probably it's nothing, but you know, many people, because they have to pay for the bathroom here, there's no free public bathroom, and many people just stop here at the corner. That's why it's a bit better, because less people stops here. I woke up at 3. Actually, I woke up before 3. I don't know why, I just couldn't sleep, and left Budapest early morning, and this is 4 p.m. I have to put up the diesel heater. Currently it's not that cold, but that's gonna be much colder later. And also, because I have the diesel heater in the boot, I would have no space to sleep. So I have to put outside in the roof, get all the pipes done, and then I'm gonna put up the blinds. Probably we're gonna make the bed, and then I will have a nice dinner. I have to pull down one of the rear windows because I have to get the pipe in, you know, the hot air to come in. And also I just crack, because it won't be that cold, so probably I'm gonna crack 2 windows open, and then just slightly, and then that's gonna be enough. So that window goes down almost all the way down. No, that's enough. Let's crack this window a bit. Okay, enough. Yeah, now enough. And let's do this one. Yes. Okay, so here I have to take off the blind, and here comes this thing, okay, where the pipe gonna come in. I really appreciate that it's not that cold now, because when it's cold, just putting all the stuff together could be a nightmare. You know, freezing, your hands are freezing, and okay. So I'm gonna need a cable which going into the diesel heater, and this one. Okay, so I plug it in here, that small power station is not enough. Just to let you know. It won't be enough, so I have to charge. So I have to charge one power station with another one. Yeah. Yeah, and I fear now that it's a bit cold, but probably I'm gonna finish with this quite quickly. Yeah. And this one. Oh, hold on. I forgot to just strap down my diesel heater. Even if there's a heavy wind or something, that could be useful. It's just for safety, you know, peace of mind. So I have some kind of polyfoams or whatever called, 2 of them. I had 3 or 4 of them, but in this car with this setup, it's enough. Okay, so 2 polyfoams, and I had to put everything together in the morning because I have to put back the diesel heater, so it's a kind of issue. At summertime it's easier because at summertime I don't have a diesel heater, but I could just leave my bed as it is, unless we are going somewhere together with my family. Yes. I have a salad, so probably for the salad I'm gonna get some chili, balsamic vinegar, and probably a pumpkin seed oil. It looks like this, you know, it's really dark here. It's not that dark, but I don't need this bit. Don't need to be dark. This from the front, it's okay. There's the bed. Cool. There's the diesel heater. And probably, I said that I won't turn it on immediately because it's not that cold. However, it is that cold. Whew. Yes, I'm in. And everything's done. Let's close the door. Here, I'm safe now. So, let's see, what do I have for dinner? Oh, a soup. Oh, probably I should warm it up a bit. Anyway, I don't have anything. Actually, I could warm it up, but I won't. Because it's okay. It's amazing. It's amazing. Next course. What's the next one? It says Bauernsalat mit Feta, Oliven und Tomaten. Looks nice and promising. I really like these salads because they give a lot of salad, really lot. Just look at this, and there's the dressing as well. Okay, let me put on the dressing first. First things first. Okay. Dressing. Let's go everywhere. so I have to mix it less. Okay, I mean, I won't be able to mix it because it's full. Really, this bowl is full. Okay, I'm gonna put some balsamic vinegar because I like it. I like it. I could put some, probably some apple cider vinegar as well, because I like it as well. But I usually put apple cider vinegar in my tea every morning. Okay, this is the pumpkin seed oil. I love it, and it's really, really healthy. Try it. Usually I also do sometimes simply it's good, tastes good, and really healthy, and some spicy stuff here just to make it spice of your life. Spice up. Yes, that's enough. Cool. Let's put aside this things what I don't need. Okay. Yes, I haven't got too much space here, but still, my dinner looks like this. Isn't it great? Yes, it is. And now I have to find a fork, which is here. There's the fork. And start my movie. Just check it out what I'm watching now. I mean, I wasn't here, but I have to go there. Convoy. Mahlzeit. Had my soup, had my salad, and now I have my dessert. It looks like this. I have no clue. It's some kind of peanut inside. I think that's gonna be nice. Some nice dessert. And watching my movie, and I also put on this is a heating some kind of coat thing, or it's a battery powered thing. It's really handy because if I turn on the diesel heater now, that's gonna be too much, too warm. So I'm gonna turn it on a bit later, and then until it's still keep me warm. So it's getting colder now. I decided to turn on the diesel heater. I could do it with the remote control, but I prefer doing with the app, because with the app then I could look at all the details, all the temperature of the stuff. Is it behaving right or not? This power station is not enough. It's already 85%, and it's showing that it's enough for 8 hours. However, I'm gonna need more into the other power station, from which I'm gonna charge the main one. That's gonna last until the morning, so that's gonna be enough. And it's nice, cozy and warm. I have to wash my teeth. Probably I'm gonna watch another movie and then sleep, because I'm really, really tired. Good night. Good morning. So this is just my I mean, 5:15. I already woke up, changed clothes, and if you look at my battery, my power station, you see it's showing 24% and 3 hours left. It's running for about 12 hours now. I mean, the diesel heater, I already charged the power station from the other power station, and now I have to turn off the heater because I'm gonna take off from the I have to take it off from the roof and put it back. So okay, it's quite warm inside. Let's stop it. Come on. Yes. And I'm gonna also show you it's 24 degrees Celsius, 25 almost, but it depends on where you measure, because at the foot well it's about 8 degrees or even less. So you see the wattage going up because it's trying to clean up the chamber and just make sure that no more fuel left in it. And this is the reason actually it consumes a lot of power when you start and consumes when you stop. So with these power stations, I'm using 2 power stations for this diesel heater, but with these power stations I can play with it that okay, it's hot in the middle of the night, so I have to stop it and then I can restart it. No, once I started it, it's gonna run through the night. If it's hot, then I have to pull down the window. That's the way it's working. Okay, I have to put together the car and I'm going to work.